Hey everybody, I'm Andrew.
I'm Julie.
And together we're 324 Weekly TV. We're your source for news, reviews, and tips you can use about mindfulness and meditation. And what is 3 to 4, Julie? What is the actual definition of 3 to 4?
Well, the average length of time that people are present is 3 to 4 seconds. So when I have a moment of presence, it's 3 to 4 seconds. And I think one of the things that we really wanted with this show is for people that understand, when people think meditation and mindfulness, they think they're supposed to walk around all day being present and connected and everything. And it was
stopping your thoughts, having no thoughts,
you know, being blissful and happy and kind to everybody all the time. And actually it's not
floating
like,
in ooze.
It's not like that. So but everybody has had an experience of 3 to 4 seconds of being really present,
Maybe at the birth of your child.
Athletes, a sport moment.
Walking in the woods.
Ecstasy moment, not the drug, but the,
That's a different show. And this is the one, not the one for kids, clearly.
No, but there's,
But speaking of kids, playing with your kids. Playing
Absolutely.
with your dog.
Playing with your kids, playing with your dog. Being able to just be there for seconds without every worry and every future thought.
Young
and every
love.
past. Young love, that's really nice.
Right? Think about your first love and when you looked in that person's eyes, how you felt in that captivated moment. And, it's lost. This is back to one of our lost in translation is people seem to think then that, if I'm not sitting, saying Om, and then I'm not actually doing it. And that's what we're talking about, accessibility. 324 is about demystifying what it is. What is the experience? Demystifying and simplifying the information that's out there. Because it's complicated.
It's very complicated. What we're trying to do is to simplify it respectfully, that so that people understand that what you're aspiring to, particularly when you're beginning, is to first of all become aware of those moments when I might be a bit more present or aware. I've slowed down for a second, I've unplugged my phone, I'm playing with my kids on the floor. To become more aware of those moments and maybe through different practices or experiences to be able to expand those in my day, in my life, in my week, because those are the ones that make a difference.
Yeah, absolutely they do.
Yeah.
So, guys, 3 to 4, technical definition is those 3 to 4 seconds of complete awareness. Whatever you're doing, you're not thinking about anything else. You're not thinking about your grocery list. You're not thinking about picking up the kids. You're actually just present and you're there. The goal of everything we're doing in the show is to help you guys assemble more of those 3 to 4 moments in your day. So by giving you the information, giving you news, giving you reviews, and giving you tips you can use that will allow you to increase that. If we do that, and you like our content, you share our videos, you comment, you engage, then that's what we want out of it.
I wanted to clarify the guys thing. He means, hey, all of you women and men and kids and elders who are listening, hey.
Yeah, it's everybody.
It's everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.